Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to show how to put a good real ribbon onto good real metal spools for a vintage typewriter. Vintage typewriter in question is this Underwood, but let's do this real quick. If you see a ribbon like this with these crummy little inserts and this little pattern back here, throw it away. It's no good. I get real ribbons made here in America. They're on better spools, super dark, high quality, and we're going to transfer it to the metal spool. So all I got to do here is unwind it and snap it off these clips, and we're going to put this one on this spool. There's a little clip in there, a little pokey thing right there that you can stab the ribbon. So it's all metal. You don't ever have to worry about it not working. There it goes. Clicks right in there. And here's what we're going to use to facilitate this. You can wind it, by hand. It takes a minute or two, but otherwise you can stick it on a drill maybe and rig something up to work like this. The spool just goes on like that. We're going to tighten it down with a wing nut here like this. And just make short work of this real quick. It's probably the easiest ribbon rewinder there is. Very simple. So we just line this ribbon up. Like this. And let me see if I can get this all on camera. So we just hold the other spool on a little spindle like that, and make sure the drill's going the right way. And just drill that on there real quick. And there it is. Detach it like that. Take it off this little shaft here. These are nice heavy ink ribbons that leave some ink on your fingers, but it washes right off. It's a pretty water-based style ribbon nowadays. Take your good metal spool, find a little hooky thing in there, and connect it on there, and there you go. Always make sure you wind that eyelet into the ribbon a little bit. Most typewriters need an eyelet for ribbon reverse mechanism, and this is ready to go. We'll stall it into the ribbon. These spools in particular are super nice. They say made in the United States on here. It's kind of hard to read it, but they're engraved on there. There you can sort of read it right there. Made in the United States. It's the way to go. And our handy dandy ribbon rewinder. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.